Hey guys, Sachin here. Welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you some of my strategies which I have used to do effective email marketing. Now I've been doing email marketing for the last 5 to 6 years, and what I've learned from this email marketing, that is something I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. So the first thing which I have learned in the last 4 to 5 years is basically you have to complement both your email marketing list, your email list, your subscribers, and also your email marketing software, which is called an autoresponder. Now you have to be good to both of them. Okay, you can't be good to just do your list and just mail out 4 to 5 emails a day. Okay, I was doing that and I was completely wrong. I admit it. Okay, now it is important to understand that email marketing software is as important as your email marketing list, because that is the exact machine from where you're going to be delivering the emails to your subscribers. That is the only way, my friend. Okay, and a lot of people, a lot of subscribers mark you spam because you email them a lot of times. You email them something which you potentially are not using it. You email them something which you are not confident in. You're just trying to sell things to them. Also, you mislead them with the subject line, and that is the biggest problem. A lot of people don't understand this, that a lot of email autoresponder mark you in a blacklist category if you just mislead your subscribers. You try to mislead your subscriber with a random spammy subject line like here is your deposit sent to your PayPal, that kind of subject line, and most of the email autoresponder are gonna marking you as a spammer. Okay, they are turning you into a blacklist of IP pools, and from that moment onwards your delivery as an email sending is going to be pathetic. Okay, the another thing which I thought is really important, whenever you are building an email list, you are building an opt-in form, always make sure to use double opt-in. A lot of people don't use it, I don't know why, but it is a great feature. It literally grants you a legal permission from the subscriber's point of view that yes, my friend, you can email me, I'm interested in whatever you want to share with me. Okay, they also give you real email addresses, and whenever you get a double opt-in subscriber, my friend, with each double opt-in subscriber your IP reputation skyrockets. Okay, when you send 100 clicks to your opt-in page, you may get 10 leads, you may get 50 leads, but those 10-15 leads are potentially going to be the long-term subscriber for you, because your email delivery will skyrocket, your inboxing will skyrocket. So this thing, I highly recommend that you always use double opt-in. The next thing which I always think that you should be doing is, and this is pretty important, that if you're promoting a launch, make sure don't send out 3 to 4 emails a day. That is something which annoys a lot of subscribers, my friend. Think about yourself, put yourself on the subscriber's place, and think, if you are getting a 3 to 4 emails from a same person, would you be eager to open that email? No, I promise you would not. And that is something which a lot of people are doing. Whenever they are getting a launch promotion, they just hit their email subscribers with like 10 emails. I have seen some of the vendors email me 10 emails in a day, 24 hours time. It is pathetic. One email is best way to protect your email autoresponder and your email list. Also, my friend, one list, don't go more than one email. Okay, just one email a day is gonna save you a lot of headache. Okay, now another thing which I have, I don't know if it is true or not, but I have seen that. Now I live in India, I love my country, but there are people where autoresponder company tend to believe that a particular person from particular country is a spammer. Now, whenever we joined any autoresponder company, they restrict, they kind of like they mark you in a very secure place, and if at all you do a little bit of mistake, they just block your account. I have got my account shut down. I will not name the company, but 5,000 permission based lists I have lost in a matter of days. Within one day, I have lost my 5,000 permission based list. Then another autoresponder, I have lost 4,000 lists. So this is something I don't know why it is. Is it because I'm in India? I don't know. If I'm in a top, I'm not in a top tier countries. If I'm in a tier 3 country, I don't know. But remember, if you're in a tier 3 countries, tier 2 countries, make sure you provide maximum value to your subscribers, my friend. That is how you will skyrocket your email autoresponder. They will trust you, they will treat you as a reliable customer, and potentially your subscribers will also love you. Hope this few value points can add up to your email marketing techniques. Let me know if you have any questions about it. I will go through it and make another video about any tips which may have forgotten. Till the next time, have a great day, my friend. Bye bye.